Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's write some more Leetcode today. Today we are solving finding 3-digit even numbers. So we are given an integer array digits, and each of the elements will be a digit and it can contain duplicate digits. And we need to find all the unique integers that follow the requirements, which means that the integer is even and the integer does not have leading zeros, and it consists of the concatenation of 3 elements from digits in any order. And we want to return the result in the sorted array. So if we look at this example, 2130, these are all the numbers that are 3 digits and even that you can make without leading zeros. And in this example, these are the numbers that you can make. So you return them in the sorted array order. So now that we have seen some examples, let's get to how we can solve this problem. One way that we can solve this problem, or the brute force way, is we can check all the points. So then we will use a triple nested for loop, and then we will use the 3 digits we have and set them up into a number and check if the number is even. If they are, then we'll add it to nums, and then we'll return the resulting array sorted. So that's how it'll look like, and the time complexity will be O of n cubed because of the triple nested for loop. So there's actually a more efficient way to solve this problem, so we'll go over that way right now. So the more efficient way to solve this problem is to check every even number from 100 to 998, because that's where all the possible even numbers will possibly be. And what we will do is we will set up a hash map that keeps track of the number of digits that we have from the input array. So we have 10, 11, 12, and 13. And as we loop through the numbers from 100 to 998, we will check if we have enough digits from the hash map. And if it does, we add it to the resulting array. And then we'll return the resulting array as the result. So let's go over this example real quick. So first we come to 102 is the first one that's valid. And by the way, how we will do it is each time we come to a number, we will subtract each of these digits from the hash map and then check if we have 0 or more instances of that digit in the hash map. If we do, then we add it to the result. If it's like -1 over here, then we would not add it to the hash map. And after adding to the hash map or choosing not to add it, we will add the number back, which you guys will see in the coding section, but I won't do it here because it might look too complicated. So yeah, 102 is the first one that's valid because we have 1 of 1, 1 of 0, and 1 of 2. And then the next one's 120, and then 130, 132, 210, 230, 302, 310, and 312. And after that, none of the numbers from 312 to 998 will be able to be satisfied with only these digits. So this will be our resulting array. So first we will set up the hash map that displays the frequency of the digits and initialize the resulting array to an empty array at first. And now we'll look from 10 to 1000 and we will jump by 2 because that's where all the even numbers are. So for the hundreds place, we will do for division num by 100. And for the middle digit, we will do num modulo 100 for division by 10. And for the ones digit, we will do num modulo 10. And now we will subtract the frequency by 1 from A, B, and C. And if after subtracting there is still 0 or more instances, so meaning the value is 0 or higher, then we can add that number to the resulting array. So result.append A times 100, B times 10, and plus C. And afterwards, we need to add the digits back to the frequency hash map, so for the future iterations. And after iterating the for loop, we can return results, see if it works. Okay, perfect. Thank you all for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave it in the comment section, and I hope to see you all again soon.